you doing? Hi. Hi. Did you have a good day, Sassy? Did you have a good day? Uh-oh. Don't be knocking off the stuff. What are you doing up there? Huh? What are you doing? Okay. Well, make it go around. Tell it. You think if you stand on it, it's going to turn faster? Huh? Or you're going to eat any quicker? Goodness. Goodness. Oh, it's hard work waiting to eat, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, there it goes. Okay, the countdown has begun. I imagine this will take about 8 seconds for her to wolf that down. Ooh, somebody made a noise. Who would disturb your dinner? Chomp chomp. This is Sassy's automatic feeder, so she gets fed every night at the same time. If we didn't do that, she would not be a happy cat. Hi. Yep, I'm still here. I'm not going to touch your food. She almost disappears right in that hole. Whew, delicious. Yep, almost gone. In about 30 seconds. Almost. Uh-oh. I'm just going to look the inside of the bowl just to make sure she didn't miss anything. Oh, I hear a few more pieces. Whew. This dinner's lasting a long time for Sassy. Miss Sassy Pants. Okay, must be at the end. Wait. A few more pieces. She ain't gonna leave anything, I can tell you that. Okay, Sassy. Oh. Get that last bit. Lick the bowl. Lick the bowl where there was dry food, if you can only imagine. Okay, get my nose all the way in here and make sure I didn't miss any little piece. Licking the bowl. Licking the bowl. Okay, now what to do? Could there be some more? No, probably not. Looking around just in case she dropped some. Looking back in the bowl in case some materialized. Nope, I'll just lick it again. Whew. Okay, make sure. Sassy, I think it's all gone, honey. Sassy. Sassy cat. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Dinner's over. Yeah, you can look, but it's all gone. Hi. No, I don't have any more, honey. It's all over.